So I want to give you something that you can understand and you can take away. Fred Hoyle, who was an atheist and a scientist, he said, a junkyard contains all the bits and pieces of a Boeing 747, dismembered and in disarray. A whirlwind happens to blow through the yard. What is the chance that after its passage, a fully assembled 747 ready to fly will be found standing there? Now, he came up with this analogy, I think it was back in the 70s. We have learned so much more about the complexities of life that I'd like to suggest we make an alternative. But before we do that, would you believe a 747 would ever form, right? The analogy is you have some energy source, the whirlwind, is blowing through the yard, and you're adding this whirlwind to the junkyard, and it forms a 747 all by chance. Do you believe it would ever form? I think that would fail the nonsense detector, but I think he's starting at the wrong point. What we've learned is things are so much more complex that you wouldn't be starting from a junkyard. You'd be starting with just rocks, and you'd have to mine the elements and form the elements, and then randomly, by chance, assemble them into a plane. All of this just through natural processes. This fails the nonsense detector test.